Hive Digital is at the forefront of the AI revolution, and its potential is truly remarkable. As we dive into the world of artificial intelligence, Hive stands out not just for its innovative technology, but also for its strategic positioning in the market. The company specializes in AI infrastructure, which is crucial for powering the next generation of intelligent applications. With the demand for AI solutions skyrocketing, Hive is uniquely positioned to capitalize on this growth. Their focus on creating scalable and efficient AI systems means they can support everything from machine learning models to complex data analytics. This adaptability is vital as industries across the board, from healthcare to finance, are increasingly relying on AI to drive their operations. Now, let's talk numbers. Hive Digital's stock value has shown promising trends, reflecting investor confidence in its business model and growth potential. The company has been making strategic partnerships and investments that enhance its capabilities, which in turn boosts its market valuation. Investors are recognizing that Hive is not just another tech company, it's a key player in the AI infrastructure space, which is expected to see exponential growth in the coming years. The beauty of Hive's approach lies in its commitment to innovation. By continuously improving its technology and expanding its service offerings, Hive is ensuring that it stays ahead of the curve. This proactive stance is essential in a field as dynamic as AI, where new advancements emerge almost daily. The company's research and development efforts are focused on creating more efficient algorithms and robust systems, which will ultimately lead to better performance and lower costs for clients. Moreover, Hive's role in AI infrastructure is not just about providing tools, it's about enabling businesses to harness the power of AI effectively. They offer solutions that allow companies to integrate AI seamlessly into their existing workflows, making it easier for organizations to adopt these transformative technologies. This is a game changer, as many businesses struggle with the complexities of implementing AI. As we look to the future, Hive Digital is poised to be a leader in the AI landscape. The company's vision aligns perfectly with the growing need for intelligent solutions across various sectors. With a strong foundation, innovative technology, and a clear market strategy, Hive is not just riding the wave of AI, it's helping to shape it. In summary, Hive Digital represents a compelling opportunity for investors and businesses alike. Its stock value reflects a promising trajectory, and its commitment to advancing AI infrastructure positions it as a key player in the industry. As AI continues to evolve, Hive is ready to meet the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, making it a company to watch in the coming years.